In WordPress, a favicon is a small image that appears in the browser tab next to your website title. In our website, when we visit it, you will see that there is a default favicon, which is the logo of MAMP. Now in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you on how to upload and set a favicon to your WordPress website. To begin, go to your dashboard and then go to Appearance and then click on Customize. Go to the Site Identity tab and then under Site Icon, let's select our site icon by clicking into this area. From here, you can either select an existing image or you can upload a new one. So we will select an image here and then click select. And then make sure that the favicon that you're going to use is a square or square in size. And then click crop image. Then once done, hit on published. Then go to your website and then just hit refresh. And as you can see, the favicon is already replaced. And that's it. The selected image will now be used as your website's official favicon. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to add a favicon to your WordPress site. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment sections below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.